on it, whip, got it, drop on it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'll be installing and reviewing this unit here from Outre. It was sent to me by Sam's Beauty, so I do want to say thank you to Sam's Beauty for providing today's unit. The unit that I'm reviewing is their Kira Perfect Hairline unit. It's a shorter little cute little everyday wig, so if you guys are interested in hearing what I think about it and watching me install it, then continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we got the whole wig installed now, so let me let you guys know my thoughts on it. Well, first let me read you the details of the unit. So like I said, this unit comes from Outre. So in the Perfect Hairline unit, it has a 13x4 frontal lace on it, and then it has transparent HD lace. No plucking is required is what it says, and then it comes with some baby hairs, and you can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. This unit also comes in a bunch of other colors in case you want to, like, you know, step out and have you a vibrant little color instead of, like, you know, the little natural 1B. They do have some color options for you guys. So now first I'm gonna just go ahead and start off my rating. I'm gonna give it a good, I'm gonna give her a 9 out of 10, honestly, because I'm really feeling this wig. You know, usually I like for my units to be longer, but for some reason this one is serving today. I really love how even it is all around. I like the fact that this one actually doesn't have layers when you wear it in the middle. I'm not quite sure what it's gonna look like if I put a side part or pull it up in like a ponytail, half up, half down do, shall I say, because that is something that the unit does. It is a versatile unit. You can wear side part, middle part, pull it up into a ponytail, have, like, you know, some up, some down. But yeah, I'm really feeling the wig. Cons, truly, your girl did not experience any cons when installing this wig. Maybe the only thing like that bothered me with my install was that, you know, I have quite a bit of space with the 13 here. With the 13 inches here, I have like some gaps showing right here, which is why I'm hiding it with my bang. So it has a lot of space for some reason. Maybe I should have pulled the tabs down a little bit to make it stretch, but I really feel like this just has a lot of space. The hairline area has a lot of space. I love the lace blended into my skin really well. Now, I guess that is something I should let you guys know. Lace comes bright. I don't know what it is. Their units just always come with like really bright lace, and it's never well enough to blend into my skin. So I did use some lace tint spray to blend my lace in, and I didn't even have to go over it with any powder. Parting space wise, I did add some powder because I didn't do like a ball cap method under here, and I kind of had my hair out underneath here, so I needed to add some concealer as well as powder to make my parting space visible. Edges wise, like the baby hairs, they're perfect. I didn't have to pull any out and like cut, do none of that. I literally could just work with what they gave me. I really didn't have any issues with like any tangling, any shedding. Like, as you guys saw throughout my process of installing it, I did a lot of finger combs just to get like a looser look with my curls, and that did the job. I literally have had zero shedding. I promise y'all, zero shedding, no tangling. I do feel like if you wear this unit a lot more, it's probably going to tangle up on you some more, but she's really cute. It was a little bit higher up when you get it out of the package. You do have to style it, meaning like where you want your parting space to be. So I did have to use my hot comb on it just to flatten it out, you know, once I parted the spacing. But look at there, she flattened out really well. I had my hot comb on the lowest heat. I had it on 5 just to flatten it out, and that did the job. You do have a little bit of flyaways there, so I took my little Got2b spray to just kind of lay those flyaways down. But as y'all can see, like, she's like laying super duper flat. It's like perfect. I want to say thank you again to Sam's Beauty for providing this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.